Start here.
Good morning, children. Now this is 8th class social studies. We already completed 5 lessons in your textbook. So now this is the 6th lesson. What is the 6th lesson? Minerals and mining. What are that? Minerals and mining. Listen students, we are extracting the minerals from the mines. Where the minerals available? In the ground. Okay, we are living upon the ground. We are constructing many buildings. We are constructing many factories. We are laying roads, railway tracks. We are producing many goods. Okay, machines, tractors, railways, cars, buses, bikes, cycles, etc. So these all are we are making with the help of minerals. We are using these minerals for the making of these all vehicles, buildings, railway tracks, whatever it is. That means minerals are very important to the human. Okay, so now listen here. For example, if your father want to construct one house, what he will do? So he will purchase bricks. He will purchase cement, he will purchase concrete, steel, okay, next one sand, etc. With this all, he will constructing the beautiful house. After finishing of the house, he will paint, whitewash. Next one, he will upon the floor, he will set some marble stones, okay. So these all are coming from the ground or from the minerals. Okay children, now listen, mud, sand, lime, granites, okay. So these all are coming from the ground only. With the help of these all, we are making a beautiful house. We are living comfortably in the houses. Okay children, now listen, here minerals, iron, copper, lead, chrome, aluminium, petroleum, water, even water also mineral. Okay, we are extracting this water from the ground. Next one, precious metals are there. These also coming from minerals. What are the precious metals? Gold and silver, platinum, etc. So we are making some jewelry with these precious metals. For example, necklace, chain, bangles, rings, okay, nose studs, earrings, okay. So these all are making by minerals only or metals only. They are very precious. Are you understood children? Now here minerals are two types. First one is renewable, second one is non-renewable. Renewable, non-renewable. Children, renewable means we will generate again and again. We will use that one, but we will generate after some years. For example, if you cut a tree for making paper, what will happen if you plant another tree? The tree will grow after some years. It will again give the paper for making, okay, books, etc. Okay, that is they are called renewable things. Okay. Next one, non-renewable. Non-renewable means if you use once, then we cannot extract at the same. Okay, they are called non-renewable. For example, gold. In our country, only one gold mine is there. That is Kolar gold field. Recently, it was also closed by the government. Okay, that's why we are exporting these precious gold from other countries. Next one, here I wrote already some kinds of minerals. For example, bauxite. bauxite is useful for making aluminium. What is the use of aluminium? In your house, your mom will prepare rice, curries, etc. Some dishes are there, some vessels are there. Okay, they are made of aluminium. And also aircrafts. Okay, some kinds of wires also making by this aluminium. This aluminium is coming from bauxite. Next one is mica. Mica is non-conductor. It is using for electrical wires. Okay, children, electrical wires, etc. That means in electricity department, so the wires are making by this mica. Next, chrome. Chrome, stainless steel. Do you know, children, stainless steel? In your house, you can see some glasses, plates, okay, etc. Cups, etc. So they are made by stainless steel. In cooking purpose or preparing for food, the delicious dishes, we are using this chrome. Asbestos, it is also one of the important valuable mineral from the ground. It is heat resistant. Okay, so for that is why we are using for the purpose of construction of house, shelter. Next, in industries also we are using this asbestos. What is that? Asbestos, and that means cement rekulu. Okay. Next, varieties. What is that? Varieties coming from barium. It is also using in industries, and also for medical. So the medical department and also industries, these varieties are using. Next one, to drilling the deep holes to extract the petroleum or petrol and gas. This is using by them, by engineers. What is that? Varieties. Next one, feldspar. What is that? Feldspar. So this feldspar is the raw mineral. Actually this is using for the purpose of making glass, ceramic ware, etc. Ceramic wares means one type of what is that? Wash basins. I wrote here wash basins, cups, tea cups. Okay, pingani. Yes. They are called pingani patralu. You know pingani patralu, pingani jadilu. Okay, to store the pickles. Okay, so these are all making by feldspar. What is that? Feldspar. Next one. What about our AP? What about our AP? What kinds of minerals are available in our Andhra Pradesh? I said in Andhra Pradesh, what are the districts? Okay, so coastal districts are there, and also remaining 4 districts also there. For example, I said Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasam, Nelluru, Chitturu, Kadapa, Kurnool, Anantapuram. Okay, so these are the districts of Andhra Pradesh. After bifurcation, Telangana was separated and created as separate state. Okay, so in our 13 districts, that means in our Andhra Pradesh, what kinds of minerals are available? I wrote here granite. So granite is very famous. Kadapa granite is very famous to construct the building and floors, etc. Next, limestone and dolomite. It is using for making of cement. So nowadays we know cement is very valuable. Okay, for construction of dams. Next one, bridges, houses, industries, apartments, etc. Next one, oil. Oil also available in our Andhra Pradesh. Gas. Where oil and gas available? Krishna Godavari basin. Now we are extracting oil and gas. Okay, children. Next to the valuable and precious mineral. What is that? Diamonds also available in our Andhra Pradesh. Diamonds, even in Krishna district also diamonds are available. Okay, especially Kohinoor diamond is found in Kolluru in Guntur district. Kohinoor diamond is one of the world famous diamond in the world. Okay, so it was available at Kolluru in Guntur district. Next one, Vajrakarur. It is also famous for diamonds. Vajrakaruru. Okay, in Anantapuram district. What is that? In Anantapuram district, Vajrakarur was famous for diamonds. Next, asbestos. What is the next mineral available in our Andhra Pradesh? Asbestos, varieties, mica, feldspar. Next, vermiculites. These are the minerals available in our Andhra Pradesh. Okay, children. Now I want to show you in the map what minerals are available in the districts of our Andhra Pradesh. Now look at, this is Andhra Pradesh. I said already 13 districts. So this is Srikakulam, this is Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasam, Nellore, Chittoor. Okay, Kadapa, Kurnool, Anantapuram, these are. Okay, children. Now look at here in the index, varieties. What is the color of varieties? Look at here. So here. So here. Next one is limestone, green color. Here. So here means you can find what are the districts. I said already Srikakulam, this is Vijayanagaram. Okay, in Vijayanagaram we can find limestone. Even in Krishna district also, look at here, at Jaggepeta cement factories also there. Likewise, coal, look at this coal, where coal available here. Next one, granite, this is granite, look. Next one, iron ore. What is that? Iron ore. Where iron ore locates, look at in this map. With the help of index you find out. Next, mica. So mica is in red color. Here, mica. Only available mica in one district. Only one district in Andhra Pradesh. Okay children, what is this? What are these all districts you must to find? You by heart these all districts and you can find and recognize in which district which mineral is available, etc. Okay children. Now here another one table is there. Look at here, one table is there. What are the renewable resource, non-renewable resources? For example, coal. Coal is non-renewable resource mineral. Bamboo, renewable resource. Bamboo is renewable resource. It is not mineral. Coal is mineral, bamboo is not mineral, but bamboo is renewable resource. Okay, here already mentioned someone. Look at, I read to you: bamboo, coal, seawater, mud, ants, sand, iron ore. Iron ore is mineral, it is also non-renewable. Diamonds also you write here. Trees you write here, renewable resource, but they are not minerals. Next, fishes, well water, sunshine, etc. Okay children, sunshine, fishes is you may write here, they are not minerals. Well water you write here or here, this is also mineral. Okay children. Okay children, I will explain the remaining lesson in the next class. Thank you.